Hi there. My name is Ken and I'm going to be your guide on connecting your Gemini EVO to a Wi-Fi network. Let's get started. Before we get it going, you need to go to the Apple or Google Store and download the Gemini app. It's pretty simple, just search Gemini EVO and the app is going to pop right up. You can also scan the barcode provided with your packaging, which will bring you directly to the App Store. Once the app is installed, you will need to create a new account. This account will be used for the logging into the app and dashboard accounts. Select I need an account and make sure you create a password you can remember. Fill all the requirement fields such as your first name, last name, and make sure you select an email you have access to, as you will be receiving a confirmation code. The phone number is not required, but important if you like to receive text messages about upcoming software updates, videos, or messages related to the Gemini EVO product. We promise not to spam you with unnecessary messages. It is important to know that your email is how you identify your account with us, so be sure to use an email you frequently use it. The verification code will be sent directly to your email. If you are using a Google Gmail account, the verification code can accidentally land inside your spam folder under promotions. Make sure you look there if you don't receive your verification code. Next, this is our terms and conditions. Scroll all the way to the bottom and slide to accept. Now, this is where the fun begins. Your foot pedal has a QR code. Look at the bottom and you can scan that code with your phone. It should read the scan pretty quickly. Now you can enter a name for your Gemini EVO. You can add any name you like. Can be your name or your office's name. Click Save Name and your account will be officially created. The next few steps are pretty simple, and this is how we are going to connect your Gemini EVO to your local network. Turn your Gemini on and follow the steps on the phone by selecting Next. You will be asked to enter the passcode, which can be found inside the user's manual. You then select a wavelength, which will bring you to the Gemini EVO home screen. All you need to do now is press and hold the red Wi-Fi icon for 3 seconds to enable the connectivity. The Gemini EVO app is going to search for all the networks available near you. Please make sure you select your own local network and enter your password. If you are using a dedicated 5 GHz network, the Gemini EVO will not list that network since the app is only compatible with 2.4 GHz networks. Most routers have both, so be sure to enable the 2.4 GHz network option. After entering your password, your Gemini EVO will connect to your local Wi-Fi, showing successfully connected. Your Gemini EVO will announce Wi-Fi connected if voice confirmation is enabled. The Gemini EVO app main screen will show the Wi-Fi icon and status with green colors, indicating the Gemini EVO is now online and ready for updates, procedure logging, and several of the unique features the Wi-Fi connectivity can offer. We appreciate you hanging in there and watching this tutorial. Next, make sure you watch the video on the app functionality, which includes software updates, extended warranty information, dashboard connectivity, and much more.